Want to learn violin for free? Violin Mastery Online offers beginner lessons from a teacher with 30+ years of teaching experience and a 100% passing rate on ABRSM, AMEB, and Trinity exam boards. This program was created as a give-back to the community, an affordable annual membership, and with simple steps, you can qualify for a free year. Weekly video lessons, clear technique drills, and real student results practical packs that make practice effective. Students say it works. Read the testimonials showing actual success and exam results. Plus this month, December intake proceeds will go to Hong Kong Building Fire Relief, a true give-back. Don't wait. Join other beginners getting fast, real progress without paying huge fees. Subscribe to violinmasteryonline.com and get your free beginner's guide before becoming a member.